28 out of 41. Defensive rebounds controlled by Barangay Ginebra. Turnovers was the only sour spot for the Ginebra team. They did have 12. Pocket Tex only had 4.
Yan po mga kaibigan ang nireklamo no ni Coach Sean Tangkisen yung kanilang turnovers. Pero they've been executing better, shooting better here in the first half at least. Tingnan natin ang ilang highlights. Dito po labanan ni Mark Caguioa at ni Willie Miller. Sila po dalawa ang umuusok, especially here in the second quarter. Mark Caguioa only had 2 points in the first period but exploded with 9 in the second quarter. Willie Miller was unstoppable, simply unstoppable in the first half. Had some nice outside shots. But here Mark Caguioa also had his share of perimeter jumpers. While Mark Caguioa did it all. Galing sa labas, galing sa loob. Ito makikita natin. Willie Miller, nag-isip pa. Pagkatapos pinira po ang 3-point shot. As we said, Willie Miller and Mark Caguioa exchanging baskets in the first half. At dito po naman, makikita natin mga leading scores. Willie Miller ended with 15 in the first 2 quarters. Pablo with 13. Mark Talan with 8. Sa kabila naman,